Now our motto determine I1, I2 and I3. So how can be determined? First of all, if you see very carefully, here I3, here I2, here I1, and that one is also I1. Okay. Now that node are same potential. That node are same potential. That node and that node are same potential. Okay. And that node and that node. If you take that one as a reference node, okay, that is 0 voltages. Okay, that is Vx and here Vy. Okay, now after that redraw the circuit again, and that one simply, that is how much, 2 ohm, and that one plus minus, that is 2 volt. Okay, corresponding to that one, how much, 1 ohm, here current I2, like that one, and that one is simply 2 ampere, and this one is connected to make like that one, that is in dependent source, that is I1, basically here I1, and here that is 2 ohm. Okay, zero volt, and that is Vy, and that is Vx, and this one is 4 ohm, and here I1. Clear? And what about current in this branch? That is I3. If you apply KCL at that node, okay, then you can write now here 2 plus I1, this will be equal to I1 plus I3. I1 plus 2 ampere, this will be equal to written as I1 plus, what about I3? Clear or not? After that, so I1 and I1 are cancel out, so simply 2, this will be equal to I3. So I3 basically how much? 2 ampere. Okay, I3 is, that is 2 ampere. Now apply KCL at that node. Okay, outgoing current, this one is consider I5. Okay, here I1 plus 2, this will be equal to how much? I2 plus I5. That is I2 plus I5. I1 is how much? Vx minus Vy divided by how much? 4. Ix is written as Vx minus Vy divided by how much? 4 plus 2, this will be equal to I2. I2 is Vx minus 0 divided by 1. And what about I5? I5 is written as Vx minus 0, current leave from negative terminal, so minus 2, divided by how much? 2 ohm. Clear or not? Okay, now so if multiply on both sides, then we got Vx minus Vy plus 8, this is equal to 4 times Vx plus 2 times Vx minus, because of 4 divided by 2, that is 2, so multiply by 2 this here, So that is 4. After that, that is 4x, that is 2, that is 6x, that is 6 minus 1, that is 5, vx plus vy, this will be equal to 12, equation number 1. Okay, I3 is 2 ampere, I3 is 2 ampere. So if you want I3 in the terms of voltage, so vy minus 0 divided by 2, I3 basically, that is 2 ampere, that one is written vy minus 0, vy minus 0 divided by 2, so vy is how much? 4 volt. If this value put here, then we got vx, that is 4, this will be equal to 12, so vx is 12 minus 4, 8, 8 by 5, okay. So what about I1 and I2? I1 basically Vx minus Vy divided by 4. Vx is how much? 1.6 minus Vy is how much? 4 divided by 4. So I1, what about I1? I1 is minus 0.6 ampere. Clear? So what about I2? I2 basically Vx minus 0 divided by 1. I2 is Vx minus 0 divided by 1, and that one is 1.6 ampere. Okay, so finally we got I1, I2. I1 is minus 0.6 ampere, I2 is 1.6 ampere, and I3 is 2 ampere. Okay, make it.